Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 703F. Hand guard with indicators. Factory fit. This is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments where you are watching from. So let's dive into this video. 2026 models ZT703F left-hand guard installation video tutorial. Prepare tools: number 5 hex wrench, T25 internal Torx wrench, 10 and 12 open-end wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, scissors. After fully squeezing the clutch handle, install the handguard adapter stud to prevent interference and damage to the clutch switch. First, hand tighten the stud. Then use a number 12 open-end wrench to tighten the handguard adapter stud. Align the boss on the handguard with the groove on the handle for installation. Reinstall the M6x60 bolt for the handguard. Hand tighten first, then use the number 5 hex wrench to tighten. Align the hole at the bottom of the handguard with the adapter stud, then install the washer and nut. Note that the handguard hole must be installed to the unthreaded step of the adapter stud, and hand tighten the nut. Use a number 10 open-end wrench to tighten the fastening nut. Use a T25 internal Torx wrench to install and tighten the handguard and handguard connection bracket at the M5 internal Torx screw installation point. Route the front left turn signal and left rear view mirror wires under the handguard as shown in the video. Connect the front left turn signal wires by matching the wire colors. If after connecting the connector the wire colors do not match, the connection is incorrect. Incorrect connection will cause malfunction and needs to be corrected. Connect the front left rear view mirror wires by matching the wire colors. If after connecting the connector the wire colors do not match, the connection is incorrect. Incorrect connection will cause malfunction and needs to be corrected. Organize the wire connectors and install the left turn signal wire box. Use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten the self-tapping screws securing the wire box. Organize the wiring harness and secure it tightly with the cable ties provided on the handguard. Use scissors to cut off the excess part of the cable ties to prevent interference when using the clutch handle. After installing and operating the clutch handle, check whether the wiring harness interferes with the clutch switch. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.